Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 10th CBSE Maths Coordinate Geometry Exercise 7.4 optional. Question number 7. Let's see the question. Let A 4, 2, B 6, 5 and C 1, 4 be the vertices of a triangle. They have given the vertices of a triangle. There are 5 subdivisions. Let me go with one by one. The first subdivision is the median from A meets BC at D. Find the coordinates of the point D. The median from A. Let me draw the triangle first. If this is the triangle ABC, the median from A meets BC at D. Median is the line where it meets the opposite midpoint of the opposite line segment. The median is nothing but the line which meets the midpoint of the opposite line. So your median, this will be your D. As I told you, this will be the midpoint of BC. To find D coordinates, we need to use midpoint formula. You need to understand the question, what is given and what formula we are going to use. Here we are going to use midpoint formula because we know that median MM, remember in that way median will be the midpoint joining line. So vertices and the midpoint joining line will be your median. So we are going to use midpoint formula for D. D is the midpoint of BC. BC vertices is 6, 5 and 1, 4. I will draw diagram wherever subdivision it is necessary. Here for this we want only B and C, so I am drawing B and C. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Now substitute the formula. Median formula is X1 plus X2 by 2, Y1 plus Y2 by 2. Substitute the values now. 6 plus 1 by 2, 5 plus 4 by 2, which is 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. So this is the point D, which is 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. So first subdivision is over. We'll move on to the second subdivision. The second subdivision, find the coordinates of a point P on AD. So there is one point P on AD such that AP is to PD equal to 2:1. So it divides the line AD. The P divides the line AD in the ratio 2:1. So we want to find a point P which is on the line AD. Now we know A vertices they have given, the A coordinate they have given, and D we have found it to be 7 by 2, 9 by 2. We want to find P. In this line, the P divides in the ratio 2:1. That means from top to down. So we need to start with the point A because AP by PD. So we need to start with the point A. And it is given in the ratio, so we are going to use ratio formula. Before starting, write the formula first. P ratio formula is M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. For Y, it is M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. And the points are A and D, 4, 2 and 7 by 2, 9 by 2. The ratio is 2:1. So this will be your X1, Y1, X2, Y2. This will be your M1, M2. Now substitute the values here. M1, 2 into X2 is 7 by 2 plus M2, 1 into 4 by 2 plus 1 is 3. Now, M1 is 2, Y2 is 9 by 2 plus 1 into 2 by 2 plus 1. So 2 gets cancelled. Here also 2 gets cancelled. Now it becomes 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 4. Just add it. 11 by 3. Here it is 9 plus 2. 11 by 3. So the point P point value is 11 by 3 comma 11 by 3. We have found the point P. We'll move on to the third subdivision. In the third subdivision, it is given that find the coordinates of a point QR on the median BE and CF. Let me draw the diagram. ABC, they have given Q and R on the median BE. So there is a BE point and CF. These are the medians. That means E and F will be the midpoint of this line and F will be the midpoint of AB. So they have given that Q and R on median BE. So there are some points. Point Q and R. It can be anywhere on the line. A Q is a point on BE and R is a point on CF. So we have just kept one point on BE and kept one point on RF, given that Q1 is 2:1 ratio. So Q divides in the ratio 2:1. Let me draw it here. BE, there is one point Q and Q divides the point in the ratio 2:1. Now the same way CF, so R1 point, R divides the point in the ratio 2:1. Now for that we know the vertical coordinates of B, that is 6, 5 and even C 1, 4, but we don't know E and F. To find E and F, as I told before, this is a median. Median meets the midpoint of AC. So E is nothing but the midpoint of AC. Similarly, F is nothing but the midpoint of AB. So we can find E by using midpoint formula. A we know to be 4, 2, B to be 6, 5, C to be 1, 4. So to find E, we are going to use midpoint formula. Already we have written the formula, so directly we can go with the sum. E is the midpoint of AC. So E is equal to x2 plus x1 by 2. So first one plus first one by 2, comma second one plus second one by 2. So this becomes 5 by 2 and 6 by 2. You can cancel this. So 5 by 2, 3 is the point E. Now the same way we will find F. For F, this is the midpoint of AB. So F is the midpoint of AB. So directly we can substitute the formula because we have written it. So 4 plus 6 by 2, 2 plus 5 by 2. This becomes 10 by 2, 7 by 2. Here we can cancel it and becomes 5, 7 by 2. So your F point is 5, 7 by 2. Now we know the value of E and F. E is 5 by 2, 3 and 5, 7 by 2. So F we have found, E we have found. We know that this is divided in the ratio. To find Q, we are going to use ratio formula. Ratio formula also we have written before. So directly I am going to substitute it. For Q, let me write the value. B 6, 5, E 5 by 2, 3 and the ratio 2:1. This becomes x1 by 1, this becomes x2 by 2. This is M1, M2. To find Q, M1, x2. So 2 into 5 by 2 plus 1 into 6 by 2 plus 1. Similarly, M1, 2 into 3 plus 1 into 5 by 2 plus 1. Now we can solve this by cancelling this. This becomes 5, 6. 5 plus 6 will become 11 by 3, here 6 plus 5 ones are 5. So 6 plus 5 will become 11. So again 11 by 3. Q point is 11 by 3. The same way we need to find the R point. R point the same way. To find R, it is in the ratio of CF. So write the CF value. C is 1, 4. F is 5, 7 by 2. Ratio is 2:1. Just substitute the value. Here becomes x1, y1, x2, y2. This becomes m1, m2. So your R is equal to 2 into 5 plus 1 into 1 by 2 plus 1, comma 2 into 7 by 2 plus 1 into 4 by 2 plus 1. Here we can cancel this. Now we will solve this. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11 by 3. Here 7 plus 4, 11 by 3. So even R point we are getting 11 by 3. They have asked for this. We have found this. So we have found Q, we have found R for the third subdivision. We'll move on to the fourth one. What do you find? The point. As the point are equal, Q and R are equal. Here we have found the point Q to be 11, 3, R to be 11, 3 means it lies on the same point. Q and R lies on the same point. Then this is the centroid. Then Q and R meets at the same point because it has the same value. Then it is the centroid. Lies on the same point means it is the centroid. Therefore, because all the medians meet at a point called centroid. Therefore, it is the centroid of the triangle. So if we have found this to be the centroid of the triangle, that is our fourth subdivision answer. Now we'll move on to the fifth subdivision. If A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, C, x3, y3 are the vertices of the triangle ABC, we can directly substitute the centroid formula. Instead of finding, we can directly substitute the centroid formula to be G is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the centroid formula. Centroid coordinates. So that's all with the sum. Thank you.